It's all that smart little shopping that's going to save you a lot of money. Hi guys, welcome back to FarmStead. This week's budget meal is fried chicken dogs. I'm going to get started on mixing everything, but first I want to let you guys know, so the oil is preheating to 320. Right now it is at 250, so let's get started. Alright, so we got our chicken thighs. The chicken thighs right now at the grocery store are crazy expensive. For a pack of deboned chicken thighs was about $16, which is $3.49 a pound. We got this pack for $5 bone in, so we deboned it, and we saved $2 a pound. Pretty crazy. Alright, it's all that smart little shopping that's going to save you a lot of money. First, we're going to start by mixing our egg with our soy sauce. Our mustard. Paprika. Pepper. We're not adding any salt because we added the soy sauce. We don't want it to be too salty. And last but not least, the garlic powder. What we're going to do, we're going to grab the chicken. We're going to dip it in the egg mixture first, then flip it in the flour and get it in that hot oil once it's up to 320. Alright guys, don't be afraid to grab your chicken, okay? Don't be afraid to. Have nice clean hands. Handle the food you're cooking, okay? You're going to dip it in the egg and all the seasonings, get it nicely coated. See that? God gave you nice kitchen utensils. They don't slip, okay? You just have to wash them, keep them clean, lotion them every once in a while. Drop them nicely in the oven, in the oil, okay? And we're going to just keep doing that. So we started with a pan of oil about half filled with oil. If you go too far over that when you add all your chicken or whatever you're frying, the oil will get too high and you'll end up with the oil overflowing. So you don't want that. So make sure you regulate how much you're putting in there, okay? Because the farther along you get in the frying process, the more of those bubbles you'll get, and those will start making a mess on your stovetop. Alright, we're going to get the chicken flipped here. Look at that. Oh, it's looking delicious. Golden. So good. Alright guys, chicken's all done. We're going to get it pulled on out. Look at that. Does that look good? Golden, crispy chicken. Alright, so the chicken's now done. We're going to get this dish assembled. We got homemade hot dog buns here. Kirsty made these. It saves so much money making your bread at home and not buying it at the grocery store. So much money. I'm real hungry tonight, so I'm going to assemble 2 of these. You guys can put whatever condiments you want on your fried chicken, whether it be barbecue sauce, a dry rub, you name it. I think it will be delicious. Tonight I'm choosing the mayo, some ketchup. We're going to be putting some nice mozzarella cheese on there. A good cheese really pulls a dish together. Some fresh tomatoes out of the FarmStead garden. So flavorful. You know, people ask us why we can and why we enjoy our own vegetables at home. It's because they have so much more flavor than the store-bought tomatoes. Last but not least, let's add that piece of fried chicken on there. And let's get to eating. Alright guys, thank you for watching the budget meals this week, and I look forward to doing a video again for you next week. Have a good night, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe, huh, Tanner? Alright, have a good night.